Hi everybody, Lisa here, your independent Scentsy director. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you the exclusive scent and warmer of the month that Scentsy has available for August of 2021. Now, if you happen to be watching this video after August of 2021, please know that these items may or may not be available because Scentsy only guarantees that these items are available in the month that they are released. After that, they are while supplies last. If you're interested in any of the items I'm going to share with you today, please let me know. You can contact me below. All of my information is there. But for now, let's get right to it, shall we? All right, so this month, here's our little flyer here that I like to share with you guys as well. The warmer of the month is called Night Sky. If you know me, you know that I have a strange fascination with stars. I love everything about stars. So this one is right up my alley and I hope you're gonna love it too. So the warmer of the month, Night Sky. The scent of the month is going to be called Vanilla Blackberry. So let's talk about the notes in Vanilla Blackberry. The description tells us it's bold, fruity blackberry, draws you in with an amber and vanilla finish. Now, Scentsy has different categories. I know we've talked about this before. They have sort of what we call fragrance families, where they categorize each scent into different categories to kind of help you find scents that you may like. Like if you know that you love bakery scents or food scents, like your girl here, then you know to kind of sort of look for those scents when you are looking at a Scentsy catalog. So just for reference, the Vanilla Blackberry is categorized in the fruity category. So if you like fruity scents, this might be one that you like. Now, as always, I'd like to share this right here in our brochure where it breaks down the top notes, the mid notes, and the base notes. So all of our fragrances are created kind of like perfumes, right? So you have your base notes and then you have your mid notes on top and then your top notes. So you get a little bit of a blend of all of those, and that's what makes the scent even more complex. So sometimes the scent description doesn't tell you all of the different notes that your nose might pick up because every nose is different, okay? So let's talk about those. The top notes in this are bergamot and red berries. Bergamot to me is very citrusy. The red berries, again, sort of that fruity blend. Our mid notes here are pink jasmine and greengage plum. It's always really interesting to me to hear the descriptions and to see the mid notes and base notes because a lot of times it's things that I don't even know what that is. I don't know what a greengage plum is. I've never heard of it. I know what a plum is. I don't know what a greengage plum is. So, but then I'm sort of picking up maybe some florals possibly or some plum, which I might not have gotten from the description itself. Then you have our base notes, which are amber, musk, vanilla, and cedar. Interesting. So you get a little bit of that cedar note, which is going to give you sort of that woodsy vibe to it as well, right? So here's what the bar looks like. Blackberry vanilla, or vanilla blackberry, I had it backwards. Vanilla blackberry, very pretty color, exactly what you would expect. Here is our bar. I'm going to smell it this way. Oh goodness. So definitely fruity. I mean, it's definitely that fruity category. I would agree with that. Sometimes I don't agree with what they categorize it, but you know what? I actually pick up a little bit of that cedar. Interesting. So I like to smell the bottoms of the bars. Look at the fun designs they have on them. This is a newly redesigned thing that we have. Sometimes you get different things that you pick up on the bottom of the bar just because of the way that the fragrance oils settle in shipping, because our bars are kind of sat like this, a little bit flat. So sometimes the fragrance oils will come down to the bottom of the bar. So it's nice to smell the bottom of it as well. So definitely fruity. I kind of pick up a little bit of that amber. And if you guys know me, I know I share this a lot in my VIP group on Facebook, that there's something about amber that my nose picks out immediately if there's amber in something, and not in a good way. So for me, I get that amber right away as well. It's not super strong. Like some of our other scents are really strong and heavy on the amber, and those I absolutely cannot tolerate. I feel like this one I could absolutely tolerate. It's maybe not my favorite. I love the fruity aspect of it. I love the vanilla. The vanilla is not super strong. It's not like a bakery vanilla to me, but it's a little touch of sweetness, right? So it balances out maybe the tartness of the berries and the fruits that are in it. But that amber is definitely there. I do pick up a little cedar or sort of that woodsy vibe to it, and I'm not mad at the cedar. I really like that scent, and I like the notes and the sort of blend that it brings to it. So that's your vanilla blackberry scent. If you have any questions or you'd like to try it for yourself, please let me know. You can contact me below. All right, let's talk about this warmer, friends, because it's gorgeous. All right, here's our dish first. Plain, clear glass dish, okay? Here's our warmer. I'm gonna show it to you without the dish first, just so I don't risk dropping it because your girl is a little clumsy. So here is what the warmer looks like. It's beautiful. So as with all of our warmers, and I think I've shared this before, all of our warmers are handmade. So they are really truly pieces of art. A lot of times we have designs where no two are alike just because of the design process. And this is going to be one of those. All of these little pieces that you see how they have sort of that little bit of iridescence to them? Aren't they pretty? So all of these pieces that you see are all hand adhered to this with the glue, right? First, and then they put this beautiful white, sort of like an off-white, almost like a tan grout on top of this. So it's all hand grouted as well. So this is going to be one that is not going to be absolute perfection, right? You're going to have some rough edges. It's meant to have that sort of rustic look to it, that hand piece look. So I kind of love that. It's very artistic. I just love the look of this. Now the grout on this is, it doesn't come off on my fingers, but it kind of has that little texture to it, right? It's not a smooth glossy finish to this. You're gonna get that more natural grout look to it as well. So let's put this on. I already went ahead and put the bulb in here. I will tell you that this warmer is going to be on sale for 10% off. So it's going to be $54, and that's US dollars before tax and shipping. So please know it might vary slightly depending on where you live. But in the US, this is going to be $54 in the month of August. Now after that, it'll go up to the regular price. And so it will be $60 at that point. Again, US dollars before tax and shipping. And that is only if there's some left by the end of August. So let's look at it when it's turned on. Let me see if I can adjust my camera just a little bit. Oh, there we go. Pretty. And you can see kind of on my face, I like to always demonstrate if it kind of gives off a little bit of a cast or a pattern. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a pattern, like you can't really see stars on the walls behind it. However, you do get these really nice sort of sparkly, twinkly lights sort of effect to it. It's really pretty, isn't it? But I want to show you something even more special. And this is something that I love to play around with. I think it's really fun to be able to do that. I'm going to take this bulb out. So here's our bulb. It's a 25-watt light bulb. And we're going to swap it out with a blue light bulb. Now, Scentsy has different colored light bulbs. So we have red, orange, we have green, we have blue, and we have purple. And now, as of August 1st, they are going to come in the 15, the 20, and the 25-watt size. So they're going to be available in all of our different sizes. The only one it won't come in with the colors is the 40-watt light bulb, which is our Edison bulb. It's shaped a little differently. So that's going to be one that is not available in colors. All the rest of them, you can swap out with colored light bulbs for $2 and completely change the look of your warmer. See if I can get in on this. Oh, it's not going to pick it up super bright. So our colored light bulbs, you can see already, it is much dimmer if it's in a bright lit place. So here in my living room, it's going to be not quite as obvious, but in a darkened room or sort of something that's a little bit more shadowy, this is going to be a beautiful color pattern as well. And I love the blue. I think this would look so gorgeous in a bedroom, or I could see it pretty much anywhere. Honestly, I could see it in my living room. I could see it on my desk because I love stars, and I just love the blue color on this. I think the purple one would be super pretty in this as well, but you could really change it out to whatever color would fit your decor or just your personal taste. So I like that you can switch this out. For $2, you can change the entire look of the warmer, and I think it's just gorgeous. So here again is that night sky warmer. This is going to be the warmer of the month for August of 2021, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you love this warmer as much as I do, please make sure that you give our video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We certainly appreciate it when you do. And until next time, my friends, always remember to keep smiling and please be kind to one another. Talk to you soon.